Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. By the way, I became a fan of your flavor. That flavor is my favorite flavor. So I came to know that you are coming from Virginia, right? So you got to know about Oxy Plus through functional medicine and functional doctor through one of your reference family friend. I'm grateful to him. Just pass on this message to him. So how do you feel the experience and the ambience of Oxy Plus, ma'am?
The place is good,
Okay, very good.
though. Yeah, it's just a little far from where I live.
Okay, it's a little
But
far.
other than that, it's a
Uh,
good place.
Very good.
People are all good out here,
Very good, ma'am.
friendly.
Thank you. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. And with respect to any kind of detox, so let's come to the point. So the major concern which you came to Oxyplus was the sleep, insomnia, right? So when it comes to sleep, thyroid and sleep are connected.
That's
So
for her.
thyroid and sleep are connected. When you have high level of thyroid antibodies, it's very difficult to get a good sleep. So it will trigger the gut inflammation, and the gut inflammation will make you eat more. That's a vicious cycle. So you have to work on the gut to heal the thyroid. That's what we are working on now. And moreover, it's not like a magic, it takes time. So step by step we are going. First we'll corrected your mutation status, then we worked on the gut. In the last session also we are going to work on the gut. So healing the gut will heal the thyroid, and finally, when thyroid is healed, you will get a good sleep. That's how it is. Okay, ma'am. Everything is clear.
Yeah.
So you wanted to ask any concern with respect to your history or medical history, anything, ma'am?
For me, like I said, I have
Mm.
too many
Inflammation.
in too many conditions,
Mm,
right?
mm.
Like thyroid
Mm.
issues, diabetes, and then BP,
Mm.
high BP.
Mm.
Of course, they're all maintained by
Mm.
medication.
Mm.
I want to come to a state
Mm.
where
You can
I
wean off from the
stop.
medication.
Yeah, I want to stop my medications.
Yes, ma'am. I
And
do
that's
that.
my main goal.
I know.
And so for that, I feel it's inflammation.
Mm.
My body is inflamed, and so I keep having
Mm.
some issue or the other.
Yes, ma'am.
I've taken control of my diet.
Very
I would
good.
say that I'm very good.
I've
Which
done
has
and
reduced
eating
my-
healthy. The only person who chose this is eating healthy is you, ma'am. So
Which is
you are
how I reduced
Very
my
good.
inflammation in my knee.
very good.
It was very
good.
tough for me to walk even
Okay.
before.
Okay.
She'll tell you how hard it was.
Okay.
But now I'm a lot better because of that. So I
Mm.
feel like there's underlying inflammation in my body.
That's why
Which-
I added ozone therapy oxygen
Yeah,
treatment
which
for
needs
you.
to, which I think will help me. That's all.
Definitely, ma'am, because you're leaving back to your country in another 15 to 20 days. By the meantime, I have to finish the protocols. So when we are leaving, you will itself give a testimonial on how I healed.
If you do that, you don't even have to worry. I will recommend you to everybody.
Okay, so those who are looking for a detox from Virginia, please catch hold of me. So thank you, ma'am. But at the end of the treatment, definitely we work on. You will give a good testimonial that whatever the inflammation is there, and even moreover the conditions which are mentioned, it will go off, ma'am. Okay, and finally, my main concern is like it's a short trip, so we have to accommodate a few to three treatments together at one place to give the results. Next time when you're coming to India, will you choose Oxyplus again?
Of course.
That's my question.
If I see a difference in the treatment, for sure, right? And
Okay.
I'm sure she'll also, like, we decided that
We
we are
decided.
going to find a functional doctor.
Functional doctor.
That's
Very
what we decided when we came here,
Very good.
you know.
Mm.
And so we said, okay, we are going to put aside like 2 weeks for that treatment
Superb.
when we planned our trip.
Mm.
So of
Usually,
course,
when I say functional medicine in India, people will start asking me, Samyukta, what is functional medicine? What is functional doctor? My work is very less with respect to your condition. So you know everything.
because
You know
she
how
knows
you-
about it. She's the one who told me about it actually.
Thank you so much. You made my work very simple. So the mother
And
daughter
so-
duo is very. They made me the happiest people, and more. My work is very less with respect to. I don't have to give explanation at all.
No.
You take care of everything, and the only concern is this treatment, ma'am. This treatment, ma'am. That's it. Thank you.
Yeah, so when she told me, I said, okay, we'll go to India and get it done. That's
So
all.
in Australia or any kind of abroad countries, to catch hold of functioning doctor is not that easy. They have to wait in a queue. They will charge very high, and even you can mention about the charges. I gave 1+1 consultation offer last time, and moreover we are affordable for all. The moment you see Oxyplus, all kind of people will walk in. Normal people, celebrities, VIPs, and even more females. We are more oriented towards females. And I'm happy you choose Oxyplus. So you wanted to convey anything, ma'am? Fine. If you wanted to say Oxyplus in one word, what do you suggest? One
It's a
word.
plus.
Plus, it's a plus. Nobody told this. So this mother-daughter combo is my biggest family, no? Oxy plus extended family. Next year, no? We are joining for a review video with all the results.
Okay,
When you are
okay.
going back to your country, you bring a lot of clients from your place.
I am back here September
Okay.
for a short period,
Mm.
3-4 days.
Mm.
So I'll come then again
Sure, ma'am.
for one more round,
Sessions. Very good.
one more session.
By the time I need the back panels.
Yeah, for sure. As soon as I go,
Mm.
I'm able to access it. I'll
Super.
send it. I actually sent an email to my.
Even I do have an
my
online
nurse.
consultation, ma'am. So if you're going
Yeah,
back to your country, in case if you wanted to connect with me online, you wanted to know what we can work on the future, I do have online consultation. So
Okay,
just
okay.
refer your name, Samyukta, and the reference person. I
Oh,
don't
you
know
have to know my reference.
because that will have a connect.
Okay,
Because
okay.
this name is quite common, but your name is quite different, ma'am. I can.
My name is different.
Yeah,
Okay.
quite different. I can remember. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, and I'll come then,
Mm.
but probably we come once a year anyway.
Anytime,
so,
anytime. By the meantime, you
yeah.
can connect with me online also.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
This report is ready.